Hi, my name is Tiffany, and today I will be reading an extract from The Golden Bird written by Sayed Ashique Mahmood and illustrated by Swarga Bhattacharya. Maharaja Raja Bahadur called a grand meeting of the entire kingdom on the city grounds. Thousands of people of Swanatwip attended the meeting. The king said, "My dear people, have you found the golden bird? Any of you?" The people answered in one voice, "No, your majesty." One person among the crowd said, "Your majesty, we have not seen the golden bird, but we have received its gift. The golden feathers scattered by the bird have filled our lives with happiness and security." The king cried out in anger, "How dare you! You are the subjects of this land, so what you receive from the bird must be counted as a treasure belonging to your king." Back in the royal court, the king ordered, "Royal astrologer, tell me, where has the golden bird concealed itself?" As the royal astrologer tried to calculate the bird's whereabouts, the princess's assistant went running to the harem. She quickly conveyed everything to the princess. The princess hurried to the tomb of the palace to warn the bird. But before she could say anything, the golden bird said to her, "I was waiting for you, princess. I have no more time. We must finish the task before the king arrests me." The golden bird whispered something in the princess's ears. Tears filled her eyes. "I can cut the spell," she murmured, "but I cannot pluck your beautiful feathers." The royal astrologer finished his calculations. His face was shining with victory. "Your Majesty, you have caught the golden bird. The bird is hiding itself somewhere inside the palace. How strange this is!" The king ordered, "Find me the bird and bring it to me now." The princess and the golden bird were on the palace terrace. The king's soldiers could be heard searching for the golden bird. They even searched for it in the harem, where no man was allowed. The bird became restless. "Princess, please don't wait any longer." The princess hurriedly plucked the bird's remaining feathers, tears flowing silently from her eyes. The golden bird closed its eyes in pain. The king and his armies were heard coming up along the stairway. The bird grew agitated. "Princess, please hurry!" The princess gathered the last of the bird's feathers in her shawl. Then she moved to the middle of the terrace, chanting the spell that the bird had whispered to her. "The poorest of the poor must get a feather each. Feathers fly away, fill their lives with peace." As the princess chanted the spell, the golden feathers rose up and disappeared into the sky. The next second, the king and his soldiers reached the terrace. The princess was heartbroken that her father had caused the death of the kind-hearted golden bird. She asked him, "Tell me, father, who is more precious to you, the golden bird or me?" The king was stunned. He sat down on the terrace and fell silent. The princess sat down next to him. He looked at her with tears in his eyes and held her. "No, my child," he said quietly. "You are the treasure of my heart. I would rather have your love than be the emperor of the entire universe." The king's courtiers found a golden ball on the roof and a golden feather beside it. The princess took the feather and touched the golden ball with it. The ball glowed brightly and, to everyone's amazement, transformed into a golden bird. The bird flapped its wings and flew into the sky to join the sun. The end. My dear readers, reading is so important because it gives you power. Not the power like the ones you see in superhero movies, but the power of knowledge. With this power, you can do anything you want. You can get a good education, you can get a good job, and so much more. Hence, I hope that you will keep reading. And with that, I end my video. Thank you.